In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PDF files without opening in Chrome. We're going to walk through this using the web version of Microsoft Teams, which you can open in your browser. Make sure you're already signed into your account and that you have the Teams window open before we start, so you can follow along step by step. First, look at the left-hand side of your Teams window. You should see several icons there. Start by clicking on the chat icon. This takes you to your recent conversations, which is usually where PDFs and other files are shared with you. Give it a second to load if your internet connection is a bit slow. Once the chat area has loaded, you'll notice that each conversation may contain multiple messages and attachments. To make it easier to find your files, go to the top of the chat area and click on the Files tab. This tab collects all the documents that have been shared, so you don't have to scroll through long chat histories just to find a single PDF. After you click on Files, you'll see a list of documents, including any PDFs that were shared in the selected chat or channel. Next to each file, there should be a small checkbox on the left side of the file name. Move your mouse over to the file you want to download, then click on that checkbox. This tells Teams which file you want to take action on. If you only want one file, just check that single box. Selecting the file this way is important because it activates the toolbar where the download option appears. Now that your PDF is selected, look for the download option. This is typically shown at the top of the file list or as an option in a menu that appears once the file is selected. Click on download. Instead of opening the PDF in a new browser tab, this will save the file directly to your computer, usually in your default downloads folder. If your browser asks whether to open or save the file, choose the option to save it. From there, you can open the PDF using any desktop reader you prefer, like Adobe Acrobat or your system's built-in viewer, without Chrome getting in the way. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a PDF from Teams without opening it in Chrome.